Hi, I am Rahul, and I will walk you through with my React Native project called CoSkill. CoSkill is a skill sharing platform where user can connect with each other and schedule a meeting and exchange their skill or knowledge. I separate code base into several folder structure for better maintainability. The folder structure start with package.json, which is store all the dependency and running a script for the of app. Now in the component folder, I store all the reusable UI component or used for splitting the larger screen into some smaller component for clean code. And I in the navigation folder, I it handle all the screen to screen navigation. Like in app navigation, I handle all the handle app navigation and bottom tab navigation. The face folder contains all the screen related UI, and reducer and slice folder have all the state management, Redux toolkit management, and for the state management like handling the loader slice or user data slice. Services folder contains all the backend API calls. Like for the authentication, I have AuthAPI, which handle all the login, which handle login API or sign up API or generating the OTP. So now I am going to show you the entry app entry, which is app.js. In app.js, I wrap app navigation and global loader with navigation container uh, and called a Initrigger. Initrigger is a custom hook which is which is created for extracting token from async storage for to to know whether user is authenticate or not. Right now, I'm going to talk about the main feature I built, which is the calendar screen feature, where user can schedule a meeting with another user. So this is calendar screen component where user can pick a date and available time slot, and with a clear message they can request for the meeting. And when another user accept the meeting, both get a notification with the help of ExpoPush notification service. So I fetch the book time slot from the backend, and after that I filter out the available time slot, so user can only able to see the free time slots. Now when the user add the message and pick all the time slots, they can request for meeting and request meeting called handle request, which uh, which call the backend API request meeting with all the required data like user ID, message token, and when after the successful API call, uh, send push notification, send the notification to the user with title, to the another with user with title, and it create description. So now the most challenging part for me was developing expo push notification service, because I have never tried it before. So I have to go through the documentation and work with FCM for sending notification. I generate a server key and send and configured expo push notification server link to the backend and send the notification to the another user. I also tried and focused to write clean, maintainable, and reusable code, so it can be scalable and can be optimized for performance. I have used Node.js for backend and React Native for the developing UI. Use MongoDB for database and Redis for optimizing the performance, which reduce uh, the API calls. That's it. Thank you.